The Jamaica Premier League resumed on Sunday following the passage of Hurricane Melissa in October. Portmore United, Racing United and Harbourview recorded wins on the day.
Portmore United moved to within a point of league leaders Montego Bay United as action resumed on Sunday in the Jamaica Premier League after a 7-week absence following the passage of Hurricane Melissa. A Joel Jones 4th-minute own goal saw host Portmore clipping Arnett Gardens 1-0 at Ferdinita Park. Portmore moved to 21 points with the win. Arnett Gardens sit just above the relegation zone on 9 points.
It was a hard game. We got the lead and we maintained it throughout the game. So I think we defended well today. In the attacking last third, we didn't capitalize on some moments in the game. But it's football. We played to win and we won. So.
Meanwhile, led by a double from Tajay Grant, Racing United had a come-from-behind 3-2 win over Mullines United at the Stadium East Field. Grant found the back of the net in the 33rd and 46th minutes. Chavani Willis scored the other goal for Racing in the 37th minute. Marlon Pennycook led the way for Mullines with a brace scored in the 22nd and 35th minutes. Racing remained in third on 18 points while Mullines languished in the relegation zone on 5.
I think we start a little bit slow, Mullines get the ascendancy and go up early in the game. But I think we keep a composure and show that we are ahead of Mullines, start to possess the ball a little bit more and to see we get back, But I think in the last part of the game, though, I think we start to go too direct and give up a lot of the second ball at all time. But I think this is a work in progress.
Elsewhere, Caribbean Cup champions Mount Pleasant FA played to a 0-0 stalemate against host Dumbarholen. Mount Pleasant, with 4 games in hand, are 8th on 10 points, while Dumbarholen are 10th on 9.
Credit must be given to the Mount Pleasant players. Credit must be given to the Dumbarholen team as well. I think they played a disciplined game this afternoon. We didn't take our chances, but it's good to be back in the Premier League, not conceding. So I think we deserve something out of the game, 3 points, but such is the nature of the game.
I think it's a positive for us. I think we'll continue to show resilience in terms of our defensive output. And I think offensively we still need to work on that a little bit more. But I guess today they made it a little bit difficult for us in terms of when we were attacking, in terms of their medium block. Pretty much we did the same as well, so it's like we were cancelling out each other. But all in all, it's a positive result.
Harbourview began life under new head coach Vassal Reynolds with only their 3rd win of the season at the Harbourview Mini Stadium. Hat-trick hero Rowan Brown was the star of the show in the 5-2 demolition of Spanish Town Police. The win means Harbourview have climbed to 7th on 11 points. Spanish Town Police hold up the rest of the league on 2 points. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.